As Jacob Zuma is taking the IEC to court, he's also beefing up his legal team by hiring John Hlophe. If you need a reminder, John Hlophe was the top judge in the Western Cape. Imagine they had the best judge in the land in the Western Cape and they decided to impeach this man and he lost his job. Now he's with their opposition, MK. Imagine the irony of that. And the case still continues. Here are the few political parties that haven't joined the government of national unity. You have MK, EFF, Action SA, ATM, BOSA. All these political parties are still taking legal action. If we have such educated people to join MK like Dr. John Hlophe, yes, I'm giving him this title because he has a PhD. He's a doctor at the end of the day. So I don't see MK losing in any way. There's also Dalimpofu.